everybody, welcome to Everyone Can Jam. This is Hamp Brockman, and he's going to show us how that pick gets in the hand to begin with. Let's take a look at where you can barely see it.
This is my hammer hand. It's kind of a translucent pick, but I just leave it just enough.
Can you do that again and do that a little more slowly?
Okay.
Okay, that's great.
I leave just enough room for the strings. That gives me a lot more control over the pick.
Can you do that again real slow to make sure they saw what part of the pick is where?
It goes right here on the
See
finger.
where the point is?
And I use the rounded edge because I think it's got a more smooth tone.
That's a big difference. Yeah.
I could use the pointy end. It's just a little brighter, but I like this. And also when I'm picking, the pick moves to this position naturally, so I just leave it where it wants to go. Yes.
And do you squeeze it real tight?
Not really, not really. Just enough for it to stay there, but it doesn't move around.
Yeah, and some picks are more slipperier than others.
Right.
Is there a reason why this one doesn't slip out?
It may be a little more sticky than others, but it's still a good pick.
Let's take a good look at that brand and.
Well, this one's an Ultex.
Okay.
It's a regular shape pick. It's the most common shape.
Brockman pick of choice.
And it's a medium pick.
Okay. Thank you. See you next time, everybody.